on, buddy. Give her hell. Yeah! There you go, buddy. Yeah.
Here comes the 622. He wants some metal. Oh, and he got it. Here comes the 155. You see him shaking and rattling around inside the car. 27 on the top side here now. I know they get it to 75. 97. 622. 75. I'm looking for the D1 now.
He ain't gonna like that. He ain't gonna like that.
Here comes the 27. Hang on. Oh, that hurts the concrete. That's David Stafford in the 27. Coming back. Everybody's down here in the corner. You're looking around saying, that, whoa. When you hit back to back with one of these things, it rattles your cage. 316, 622 working down there in the corner. 27, 75, 618.
I think Funk's done. He ain't running. His car ain't running.
48.
Come on, get moving. Let's go.
Everything's kind of quiet down a little bit. Trying to figure out, I gotta make it to the last two at least. Money's in the number 1 and number 2 spot. The trophies are in the number 1 and number 2 spot. Who's it gonna be? Here's 27. Oh, he does the old spinaroo, comes down. There's D1, chases him down.
That's what you
Oh,
need.
he's gonna give him a nice little, uh-oh. Here comes the 618. 48. Losing their front cowling, but here he comes. Oh, and the 53 with a big slam.
He's tucking it.
Nice.
Oh, they're moving. Everybody's down in this corner. Here comes that 53 back, making those well-planted shots. He's using 3/4 of the track. There goes
You better turn around. You better fucking turn around.
Oh, yeah.
Walker, you better turn around now.
Saw a good spot. 53 reaching down. Roundabout reverse.
Turn around. Turn around.
155 down here in the corner. 622. Doty's trying to find. Here comes the 53. Sneaking up on him.
His car's. Nice, nice.
Oh, that
Come on, kid, let her in.
53 to have a problem.
Oh, come on.
622. Position himself. He's on down here. Here comes the 53. Back on back. Here he's coming. He's looking for a victim. Got it. And the D1 from Troy. Laying out a smoke screen. I don't know if it's going to help him or not, but
He can't put
he's
it
going to
up
put it out there.
Come on. He's still in it. That car in front of him's dead.
The 155.
He's stuck. He's still in, but he's stuck.
He's still moving. What we got moving down there? That last big hit by the 53.
There you go. Come on, buddy.
Working in this far corner. 622, Doty, he's still alive. 155 still alive. 27 came out of that corner. Another well-placed hit by the 622.
I can't see him.
Okay, he says, all right, I'm going to come around here and take another look at it at a different angle.
Come on, get out there and get a run on him.
Hey, Davey, that's 618.
That 58 moving again. I just hit him again.
Oh, yeah. 27, come back.
Still good.
Driving him in the corner. Giving 622 in.
He's still moving. He's boxed in.
Okay, here goes 53 out to get the penalty. Here comes the 622. Oh, blew him by. Trying to get position. 53 is going to have to make some moves. Here comes the 27. Oh, jockey. The 155. 27. Man, it looks like the 53 man ran out. Oh, here he goes. He's got her back fired up here. Oh,
Played cat and mouse.
defensive move, man. Oh, here goes 155 out. 53 stuck in there and got that hood shot. And 53, he's working it. Reaching down. 27, he ain't give up yet either. Ah, here, I'm still here. I just want to let you know it. 27 moves back. Still got a 622 down here in the 155. Ring around the posing.
That's right.
There they come. There they come. All right, then 623. Doty.
Come on, don't tell me the car's dead now. Come on, buddy.
155. I heard everything else go silent.
Get it running, come on.
Come on, Dave!
Everything else.
I
went
that's
silent.
it. Oh,
Come on, go.
155, getting that 622. Just another little tap.
We got second. Come on, Dave!
that's it. That's it.
All right.
Yeah! Let's go, buddy!
53 fired back
Take it
there.
back!
Anna Williams in the 55, 155.
Baby, buddy. Come on.
53, oh, they got 53 off on top.
53's gone. Yeah! Yeah, buddy!
22 and a 155, still alive.
Keep it running!
Go!
No, he's got to keep it running. He just has to keep it running.
Damien Doty in the 620.
Come on, buddy! Fuck this shit up!
Anna Wells in the 155. You're done.
Yeah! Let's go, buddy!
2 with the second person back at the 155.